Hi Taurus, this is Tara with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for September 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to dive into these oracle texts that I have here. This is Celtic Lenormand for a quick message from the universe. Taurus, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading without wasting any further time. Towards the final days of August, stepping into September 2021, we have the King of Pentacles. Certainly, in this time, you had made some gains. Possibly, you were also benefiting on account of a senior person because you see, we have the King of Pentacles here. This person may have been quite affluent or wealthy. In case you were looking for a job opportunity, I think this was a time when you could have bagged that job. However, I think in personal dealings or in financial dealings, you should also have been a bit careful. Maybe you should have read between the lines when it came to signing documents as well. Perhaps someone was also trying to take you for a ride. Obstacles to overcome this month, the challenges that September is going to present for Taurans worldwide is the Six of Pentacles. Possibly, expenses will mount, or you may feel as though money is flowing out. Perhaps you may have to cough up fines, or you may have to get those gadgets repaired as well. Personally, also, you could be a bit affected because of the limitations that your family members impose on you. Maybe Taurus, you should guard against temperamental behavior. I think you're somebody who wants to retaliate, or who's not going to take any nonsense from anybody. Even at work, I think you'll be better served if you would focus a bit. Maybe you could be crestfallen if your ideas are rejected or if your ideas don't find any takers. Influences for this month, we have the Wheel of Fortune. Fate is certainly a big factor in your life in this month. The wheel is definitely turning. This is going to be a very dramatic period marked by a lot of changes, even sudden changes, which you should be prepared for. But then we are never prepared for the sudden activity that comes about in our life. I think your schedule could also be disrupted a bit. Besides, I think Taurans, you should be prepared because there are going to be a lot of burdens here. There are going to be those anxious moments. Sometimes, you have to give in to the demands of your family members. Maybe they don't see eye to eye when it comes to your ideas. That is why you could be feeling lost and alone. Oftentimes, your family members could also want you to make allowances for them. Maybe they expect you to adjust. That is why you may question as to why you always have to give in to their demands. I think financial burdens or instability could also be something which could make you quite insecure. Nevertheless, I think Taurans, you seem to be the lone warrior. You do have a vision and you want to better the situation of yourself as well as your family members. Even work offers that come your way this month may not be to your liking. But sometimes, we cannot be choosers. First 10 days of September, we have the Sun card. Certainly, Taurus, you desire newness in your life. I think there'll be delays, but you should think about the long-term future. Many of you could also be thinking about a new home, or you want to develop your property, or perhaps you want to make those home improvements. You'll also find yourself overthinking. It's best not to assume too much. Sometimes, you could also be overreacting to situations. So ideally, you should blow the pipe of peace. And so maybe you should thrash issues out, as that would help you. Because later on, you will realize that you were getting worked up for nothing. I think nature will also bring you peace of mind because you see these children, they are outdoors. They are looking up to the sun. Criticism could also come your way, but then well-meaning criticism always gives us food for thought. So maybe you should look at things from that perspective. Taurus, if you're dealing with officials, I think you should carry official documents with you. Towards 11th to 20th September, we have the Four of Cups. Emotional discontentment is quite likely. As you see this lady, she seems to be down and out, or she is lost in her own world. So oftentimes in this period, you may feel a bit withdrawn. You may want to understand the purpose of your life or your existence. Even your relationships could make you a bit emotional. It would be best, or it would be prudent to avoid arguments. I think you're somebody who's quite emotional. That is why you could cry at the drop of the hat. Some of you could also feel that people are two-faced. They promise you much, but then they don't deliver the goods. Nonetheless, I think people will hear you out. Maybe family elders could deny you money and resources which they had promised you in the past, but then eventually they will give in. Sometimes you feel that your pockets aren't too deep, and that is why you think financially you need to be quite stable. In case you're on the lookout for jobs, also, I think there could be outstation work offers, but then they may not excite you enough. Nevertheless, Taurus, I think you should be careful because your schedule could be disrupted time and again this month. If you are already working, I think you should push the envelope, you should strive harder. Sometimes, we feel lazy, we don't want to carry on with the task, but eventually you will do so. So it is necessary to complete whatever has been dragging for days. Incidentally, help from your trusted aides is also quite likely. I think your responsibilities will also increase because maybe there are workers who are absent. And while finalizing deals with clients, I think you should take everything with a pinch of salt. Those of you who are in the leadership position, I think you'll be a bit exasperated or peeved because employees are not disciplined enough. Maybe they arrive late. That is why you could give them a piece of your mind. Final days of September, that is towards 21st to 30th September. For Taurus, we have the Magician card, and we did clarify the Magician, and we have the Four of Swords. Certainly in this time you will be in an investigative mood. You want to get to the bottom of things. You want to delve deeper, but oftentimes you could also find yourself rethinking your moves. Maybe you will decide to take a step back and refocus, or you will strategize a bit. Taurus, you should also safeguard your health this month. Sometimes lack of sleep could also make you a bit temperamental. In essence, in these final days, you have to rework your strategies. Maybe things are not going to go the way you have desired. You will also benefit if you would be a bit tactful. I think there could also be calls for an interview in this time, so maybe you could be undecided, but ideally I think Taurus, you should capitalize. Jealousy and rivalry could also affect you. Maybe you should keep your cards close to your chest rather than talk about your ideas. Other than that, you will also benefit if you keep a backup of your plans. With respect to your love life, I have this card, Balancing the Scales. I think you need to be steady with respect to your romantic connection. Maybe you should maintain the equilibrium in your love life. We do have another card here which talks about an honorable surrender. Ideally, I think Taurus, you should be romantically disposed this month. I think you want your person, or in case yours is an unacknowledged relationship, I think you want this person to surrender to the power of this connection. Maybe you want to walk down the sunset with this person. Like I said, in case you're crushing on someone, or in case you're in an unacknowledged relationship, I think you want clarity with respect to this connection. Oftentimes, you could be gripped by nostalgia, as this lady here, she seems to be overcome with nostalgia. She's thinking about the past. That is why I think many times you could be doing just that this month. You think everything is happening as per the divine plan because we do have balancing the scales, or we are talking about justice here. Single Taurus, I think attention is coming your way from the opposite sex, even unwanted attention. Those of you who are romancing, you may find your lover trying to woo you. Incidentally, Taurus, I'm also picking up that someone could try very hard to woo you back or win you over, but then you may be disinterested. Could be some misunderstandings in your relationship. That is why you want to step away from this connection as well. But then the person in question could give you a chance, but you may feel as though you're not going to level up to this person. That is why you want to move away. Those of you who are already romancing, I think there could be opposition to your love life. Maybe family elders want you to put an end to it. Nevertheless, I think the Taurus, this person is going to overwhelm you by saying something quite thoughtful. I think oftentimes you will also be discussing work-related issues. Maybe this person also wants you to read the books that he reads so that you can understand him better. Also possible that there could be a distance in your relationship because your person could be away on account of work. So there will be brief conversations that you have to be content with. Those of you who are married, I think a spouse could surprise you as he's in a very romantic mood this month, but maybe you're not in the mood for romance. Perhaps, Taurus, you should enjoy the mood or enjoy the ride and the music. Many of you could also be concerned about your spouse's health or even your child's health this month. Some days, your partner could be in a very crabby mood. Ideally, I think Taurus, you should be patient with this person. Maybe you're somebody who doesn't like his lax attitude. In fact, your spouse could also say that you're neglecting him. For some Taurus, I'm also picking up that your partner could be making financial gains this month. That is why you'll be quite happy and pleased. In case yours is an unhappy connection, I think you shouldn't put up with violence of any kind. Maybe marital infidelity could also be discussed here. From Lenormand, we have this card cross. Certainly there are going to be certain burdens, or there could be trials and tribulations that you have to maneuver this month. Maybe there are financial burdens, or you may be feeling guilty over something. You should remember, we all have those burdens, we all have a cross to bear. But then you're also being called upon to connect with your spiritual side. You should be more selfless and devoted to your cause. For some of you, I'm also picking up that you may need counseling of some kind. The last card in your reading is integrity. Align your actions so that they match your values and your inner knowingness of what's right for you. Certainly, Taurus, this card is talking about your moral compass. You have to do the right things, or do things which make you happy and which gives you the confidence to move forward this month. I hope, Taurus, you liked your reading. This is Tower with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.